y equal to cos inverse 5x. Find dy by dx. There are two functions. Number 1 cos inverse, number 2 5x. Derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square 5x whole square into derivative of internal function 5x. Derivative of x value 1. So 5 into 1 minus 5 into 1 by under root 1 minus 25x square 25x square y equal to sin inverse cos x. There are two methods. Number 1 direct method. Dy by dx equal to, let it be x, sin inverse x 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of the internal function. Next 1 minus sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x equal to sin square x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x, root 2 square cancel, 1 by sin x into minus sin x. Sin x cancel, minus 1. First derivative of the sin inverse 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. 1 minus cos square x sin square x. Root 2 square cancel, sin x. Sin x cancel, minus 1. Second method. See, y equal to sin inverse cos theta. We know from trigonometry, cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Sin inverse cancel. Y equal to 90 minus x. Therefore, dy by dx, derivative of any constant 0 minus derivative of x value 1. So answer is -1. Next, y equal to log of sin inverse e power x, sin inverse e power x. See, there are three functions. Number 1, log function, sin inverse function, exponential function. So first write derivative of log x, 1 by x, derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by under root 1 minus x square, derivative of e power x, e power x. So dy by dx, derivative of log x, 1 by x, derivative of this function is over, into derivative of internal function. Next, 1 by sin inverse e power x, derivative of sin inverse 1 by under root 1 minus x square, where x value e power x, into derivative of e power x, 1 by sin inverse e power x, 1 by under root 1 minus e power, multiply the powers, 2 into x, 2x into e power x, into e power x. Next, x equal to log 1 plus root y e power x equal to 1 plus root y. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of e power x, e power x. Derivative of one value 0. Derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x. It is not x term, it is y term. So write into dy by dx. By cross multiplication, 2 root y into e power x equal to dy by dx, dy by dx e power x 1 plus root y. Differentiate with respect to x, e power x 0 root y 1 by 2 root y into dy by dx. by cross multiplication 2 root y into e power x equal to dy by dx.